Ever wondered how to get that perfectly runny yolk or a firm, creamy, hard-boiled egg every single time? Boiled eggs are a kitchen staple, incredibly versatile and packed with nutrition. Today, we're mastering this essential skill together. Boiled eggs are a true nutritional powerhouse. A single large egg delivers about 6 grams of high-quality protein, essential amino acids, and vital vitamins like D and B. They also provide crucial minerals such as zinc and iron, plus choline for brain health. The beauty of boiled eggs lies in their versatility, determined by cooking time. You can achieve different textures to suit any dish or craving. Knowing the difference is key to culinary success. Soft-boiled eggs feature a set white but a wonderfully runny golden yolk. These are perfect for dipping toast or adding richness to a dish. They typically cook for 4 to 6 minutes. Hard-boiled eggs have both firm whites and fully cooked creamy yolks. They are ideal for salads, sandwiches, or as a quick protein-packed snack. Achieving this texture usually takes 8 to 12 minutes. Boiling eggs might seem simple, but precision makes all the difference. Achieving that perfect texture consistently requires a few key steps and the right timing. Let's gather our tools and get started. You'll need a medium-sized pot or saucepan, large enough to comfortably hold your eggs in a single layer. A slotted spoon is essential for safely adding and removing eggs. Finally, prepare a bowl for an ice bath. Start with eggs straight from the refrigerator. Cold eggs are less likely to crack when introduced to hot water. This simple trick helps maintain their integrity during cooking. Fill your pot with enough water to cover the eggs by at least 1 inch. Bring this water to a rapid rolling boil over high heat. Ensure it's bubbling vigorously before adding the eggs. Once the water is boiling, gently lower each egg into the pot using your slotted spoon. Avoid dropping them, as this can cause cracks. Place them carefully to prevent breakage. For soft-boiled eggs with a runny yolk, cook them for precisely 6 to 7 minutes. This timing ensures the whites are set while the yolk remains beautifully liquid. Keep a timer handy for accuracy. If you prefer hard-boiled eggs with a firm, creamy yolk, cook them for 12 minutes. This duration guarantees they are fully cooked through. Avoid overcooking to prevent a greenish ring around the yolk. Immediately after cooking, transfer the eggs to the prepared ice bath. This crucial step halts the cooking process, preventing overcooked yolks. It also helps the egg contract, making peeling significantly easier. Once cooled, gently crack the eggs all over. Peel them under cool running water. The water helps separate the shell from the egg. This method often results in a smoother, cleaner peel. For the easiest peeling experience, ensure your eggs are completely chilled in the ice bath. Let them sit for at least 15 minutes. This cooling period helps the membrane detach from the egg white. Surprisingly, older eggs are much easier to peel than very fresh ones. If you plan to hard boil, use eggs that are a few days old. Fresh eggs tend to cling stubbornly to their shells. Hard-boiled eggs are excellent for meal prep. Store them in their shells in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. Keeping the shell on helps maintain their freshness and prevents them from drying out. Mastering the perfect boiled egg opens up a world of culinary possibilities. From a simple snack to a gourmet sandwich, these versatile gems can elevate any meal. Let's explore a delicious idea. For classic hard-boiled eggs, simply follow our step-by-step instructions. Once cooled, they are ready to be enjoyed on their own, sliced into salads, or incorporated into your favorite recipes. They are a protein-packed snack. Try this delightful vegetarian sanda with boiled eggs, a Japanese-inspired sandwich. It's a fresh and flavorful way to enjoy your perfectly cooked eggs. This recipe is quick, easy, and incredibly satisfying. You'll need 2 hard-boiled eggs sliced and 2 slices of white bread with crusts removed. Gather a 1/4 cup each of finely shredded cabbage and grated carrots. You'll also need a 1/4 small white onion, thinly sliced, plus mayonnaise, salt, and pepper to taste. In a medium bowl, combine the shredded cabbage, grated carrots, and thinly sliced onion. Add a generous amount of mayonnaise, mixing until everything is well coated. Season this vegetable mixture with salt and pepper to your liking. Spread the flavorful vegetable mixture evenly onto 1 slice of bread. Arrange the sliced hard-boiled eggs neatly on top of the vegetable layer. Ensure they are distributed for a balanced bite. Cover with the second slice of bread, pressing down gently to secure the fillings. Carefully cut the sandwich in half, either diagonally or straight across. Serve immediately and enjoy your homemade sando. Ever wonder why your eggs crack when boiling? Rapid temperature changes are often the culprit. To prevent this, gently lower cold eggs into already boiling water. An ice bath immediately after cooking also helps. How can you tell if an egg is boiled without cracking it open? It's a simple trick. Spin the egg on a flat surface. If it spins smoothly and quickly, it's boiled. If it wobbles and spins slowly, it's raw. Can boiled eggs be reheated? Yes, you can. For best results, place them in a pot of hot water for a few minutes. Alternatively, microwave them for 10 to 15 seconds, but be cautious as they can sometimes explode if overheated. Boiled eggs are a dietary staple and a culinary delight that can be transformed into various dishes. By mastering the art of boiling eggs, you ensure that this simple ingredient always elevates your meals. It proves that sometimes the simplest foods are the most satisfying. Now you have all the knowledge to boil eggs perfectly every time. Don't just watch. Try these techniques in your kitchen today. Share your perfect boiled egg creations in the comments below and subscribe for more practical cooking tips.